coming from Mark Gadala Maria, basically says this is wild. 143 million people thought they were catching Pokemon. They were actually building one of the largest real world visual data sets in AI history. And so I think to your point, like it's not about the math anymore. It's not just about the math. It's how you can activate it. It's what the underlying models are. And to me, this is, how many Pokemon Go's are there right now that people think they're playing a game, people think they're walking through the world or talking to a website, and really they're training a data set that is going to launch a company into a proprietary moat that is unreplicatable, like Pokemon Go. And I think this is an incredible story.
Yeah, the Pokemon thing made me think about Snapchat. That's what it made me think about, which is if Pokemon has been able to use that camera to provide all this ancillary value for these models, why in the world can't Snap, who has like the largest probably, index now of, actually they delete all of it, but whatever. There's something there.
Yeah.
There's something there. And it makes me just think that like, if Pokemon Go is able to play this hand, like what could Snap do with basically the real world understanding that they have? And so maybe we'll find out. That's my one sad Snap statement of the week.
I'd like someone from Pokemon Go to come on here and tell us if this was part of the plan or if they just kind of lucked into this and they knew they were getting all this data and they'd figure it out.
Let's get someone on here, have them do it and wear a Whoop, and we can watch them as their heart rate goes up as they're lying to us about this being their plan.